Chapter 7-5 Notes, Graphing using y-intercept and slope. Step 1. Is it y equals mx plus b? In other words, is it y equals yet? Step 2. You need to graph the y-intercept first. Step 3. From the y-intercept that you graph, use the slope to find 2 more points. Okay, step 4, just as a reminder, if it's a negative slope, you're going to go down and to the right. If it's a positive slope, you're going to go up and to the right. Okay, example 1, we're going to graph y equals negative 2x plus 3. Step 1 says it needs to be y equals. Well, if I look at this, it's y equals negative 2x plus 3. So the slope is the number in front of the x, so it's negative 2. And the y-intercept is positive 3. Okay, the negative 2 isn't a fraction, but we can make it into a fraction by putting a 1 underneath it. Okay, so now we're going to graph. Okay, the y-intercept is at 3. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to graph that first. That's step 2. Okay, and then this is the slope. It's negative, so we're going to go down 2 to the right 1. Down 2 to the right 1. Okay, so let me show you that. It went down 2 to the right 1. Down 2 to the right 1. Okay, example 2, y equals 1/3 x plus 4. Okay, 4 is the y-intercept, so we're going to graph that first. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the y-intercept. At 4. And then the slope is 1/3, so it's positive, so we're going to go up 1 to the right 1, 2, 3. So that's the second point. Then we're going to go up 1 and over 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's the line. So again, it went up 1 over 1, 2, 3. Up 1 over 1, 2, 3. So this bottom number is always to the right. And the top number will tell you up or down. Since it's positive, it's up. So it's up 1 to the right 3. Okay, example 3, y equals negative 3/4 x minus 2. You're going to have the y-intercept first, which is at negative 2. So you're going to put a dot at negative 2, a point at negative 2. And then the slope is negative 3/4. So instead of going up, you're going to go down 3 and to the right 4. So from here, we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, and to the right 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we're going to draw a line. Arrows on both ends because it goes forever in both directions. Okay, on example 4, you have y equal, you don't have y equals, it's y minus 3x equals negative 4. So what you're going to need to do is make it y equals. So to do that, we're going to add 3x to the other side. So now it's y equals positive 3x minus 4. So our y-intercept is negative 4. 1, 2, 3, negative 4, right here. And then the slope is 3. And to make that into a fraction, we just put it over 1. So 3 over 1. So that's up 3 and to the right 1. So from the negative 4, we're going to go up 1, 2, 3 to the right 1. Up 1, 2, 3 to the right 1. Okay, and then we're going to draw our line. Arrows on both ends because they go forever in both directions.